ULTIMEA Solo B30. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside, you'll find your ULTIMEA Solo B30 accessory pack. Here is a user manual and some accessories, along with our all-in-one soundbar. First, let's get to know the soundbar. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of the TV. Also, take a look at the back, where you'll find 5 ports. Now, let's connect the power cord to the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. Press the on standby button on the remote control to turn on the power. You will see the indicator light flash green 3 times. The soundbar is now powered on. Alright, it's time to connect your TV. This video will show 3 common connections. Firstly, connect to your TV via optical output. Remember to remove the protective cap from both ends. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then insert the other end into the optical port on the soundbar. Press the opt button on the remote control to select the opt input. The soundbar's indicator light will turn purple. And here's a tutorial on how to debug the TV's opt connection. Taking the TV in the video as an example, go to Settings, Sound Output, Optical. Secondly, we will show the O connection. Plug the straight end of the O cable into the O out port of the TV. Insert the angled end of the O cable into the soundbar. Select the O mode via the O button on the remote control. The soundbar's indicator light will turn green. Note, if you want to switch to another mode, please remember to unplug the O cable from the TV and soundbar. Prefer wireless. Here's how to connect your smartphone via Bluetooth. Press the BT button on the remote control. The soundbar's indicator light will turn blue and will keep blinking until pairing is complete. Open your smartphone's Bluetooth settings and select the name, ULTIMEA Solo B30, to connect the soundbar. If your TV has Bluetooth output, you can also connect the soundbar wirelessly. Here's a tutorial on how to debug the TV's Bluetooth connection. Taking the TV in the video as an example, go to Settings, Sound Output, Bluetooth. Just like with your smartphone, select the name, ULTIMEA Solo B30, to connect the soundbar. When you see the indicator light turn solid blue, it means the Bluetooth connection is successful. Sometimes you may follow the steps to connect, but there is no sound. Don't worry, this usually requires a TV setup change. Go to your TV settings, Sound, Expert Settings, Digital Output, and select the audio format PCM. Different TVs may have different setup steps, but normally you would go to Settings, Sound, and then select Digital Audio Format PCM.